Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, a warm welcome. I am so excited, guys, because today I'm going to be making my favorite porridge of all times. Yes guys, based on what you're seeing, I'm wondering if you guys know what I'm going to be making today. Today guys, I am going to be making some peacorn porridge. Yes guys, this is my favorite porridge. So lovely, to begin our peacorn porridge, here we have our nice little wash hominy corn. And if you guys know hominy corn, you guys know that this is a really tough corn. So we are going to be pressuring our corns. If you don't have a pressure cooker, or if you don't really like pressuring your corns or pressuring anything in pressure cookers, what you can do, what I would recommend you doing, is to soak your hominy corn overnight so that this can speed up the cooking process. Alright, so what we're actually doing at the moment is adding some salt to our hominy corn that we just add to the water in our pressure cooker. Then we're going to be closing our pressure cooker pot and begin our pressuring process, lovelies. Yeah, so while our hominy corn is, doing its thing on the stove, we are now going to be preparing our peanuts. So here guys, I have my peanuts. This is about 1 cup of peanuts. Then I'm going to be using my food processor to grind my peanuts. So if you have a blender, you can go ahead and use your blender, but to me, I find the food processor a bit more convenient. So I'm just going to be adding my peanuts to my food processor. I'm going to be adding my peanuts to my food processor. Then I'm going to be adding this looks like 1.5 cups of water, or guys, you can just add it until the water covers the peanuts. Then we are going to be starting our grinding process. So yes guys, we're going to grind it until our peanuts are nice and smooth. If your pressure cooker weight is not making this sound and moving like this, just know that your corn is not pressuring.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I waited this full 30 minutes before I check on my my hominy corn. So yeah guys, before you pull this pot, make sure say you either run it under cold water or leave it there until the pot is cool. Alright, because if you try to open this when it is hot, then it's not going to be a pretty thing. So wait until your pot is cool before you open it. Alright, now lovelies, we are going to be checking our corn to see if it is nicely cooked. Yes, so based on what I'm seeing and based on when I test it, it is cooked. Yes, so look at this guys, look how nice this is, and we don't even start to making our porridge yet, lovelies. Oh my gosh, these look so good guys, and it smells so great. Now I'm going to be lighting back my stove, and here I have 1 cup of coconut milk. I am going to be adding my coconut milk. I'm also going to be adding ½ tablespoon of chiffon butter. Guys, I don't know guys, but my porridge have to have some nice clean chiffon butter, because chiffon butter in my porridge tastes really good. So as you can see, I am adding my grind peanuts. Yeah, so those are my peanuts that I grind earlier. Yeah, and I'm gonna mix this in, give it a nice stir to combine everything that I added earlier. Y'all needed to be in my kitchen because guys, this smells so freaking good, and it's not even completed. Oh my gosh. Now guys, I'm gonna spice up the porridge here by adding 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, or if you have vanilla flavoring, same difference. I'm also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder and ½ tablespoon nutmeg, that is freshly grated nutmeg. And this, guys, make my kitchen smell even more amazing. Like, oh my gosh, this is like so unexplainable. And you guys know the usual, we're gonna mix this in until everything is nicely combined. And while I'm mixing my nice clean good up spices, you can now go ahead, lovelies, and like up this video. If you're not yet a part of the Long Life and Health family, it's time for you to subscribe and hit that post notification bell. I don't know about you, lovelies, but I love when my porridge is nice and thick. So to thicken my porridge, I'm going to mix together 2 tablespoons of flour with 1.5 tablespoon water. Then I'm going to be adding it to my porridge, that's my peacorn porridge, and just mix it until it's nice and thick, like so. I'm gonna leave this for about 3 minutes, make it warm, bubble up itself.
Soon after.
Then I'm going to be sweetening my porridge. Yes, and to sweeten my porridge, lovelies, I love to use condensed milk. But if you have any other sweetener that you'd love to use, like sugar, honey, then you can go ahead and do so. Alright, so I'm just gonna add, you can add it any amount you desired, yeah, for your liking. Yeah, then we're gonna mix it in, yep, like so. And you can turn your stove off while you're doing this, or you can leave it on. It doesn't really matter to me. Yes, lovelies, now the porridge is ready. Oh, look on my nice clean peanut corn porridge.
So
look there, guys, just take a good look at this, guys. Look at this.
So
oh my gosh, like, oh my god,
nice peacorn porridge. So, try to finish. So yes, guys, there you have it. That's our nice clean peacorn. And now, lovelies, we are going to be trying. Yeah, need to taste it to see how our porridge came out. Gosh, guys, look at this. Just like I love my porridge. I don't know, so let's go ahead and try our porridge. Yeah, porridge come through and so, guys.
oh my gosh, guys, the porridge was so freaking delicious. Like, it was so amazing. I actually got lost and forgot that I was even recording. Like, to enjoy my porridge, guys, I forgot about you guys, and I'm so sorry. So see there, girl did all clean out the plate without even remembering that she was actually videoing. Like, who do you know to them something here? Yes, guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you reached this far in the video, don't forget to leave your comment down below and let me know what you think about this porridge, or let me know if you're even going to try this porridge. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment down below, and